In this video, we're going to show you how to fix the package failed updates dependency or conflict validation error in Windows 11 when a text document does not open. Please subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful troubleshooting videos. Let's go through the steps together and fix it. First, click the Start button and open Settings. Once you are in Settings, select Apps. In the Apps section, click Installed Apps. Now look for Notepad in the list. When you find it, click on it and open the Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options section, you will see a repair option. If the app is not working properly, Windows gives you the option to repair it. Click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Once the repair is completed, close the window and try opening your text document again. If it still does not open, go back to Start, then Settings, then Apps, and again open Installed Apps. Find Notepad one more time, open its Advanced Options, and this time click Reset. Keep in mind that resetting the app will permanently remove the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. After the reset is complete, click Repair again one more time. Then try opening the text document again. At this point, it should start working properly. That's it. The issue should now be fixed. You may also see a message saying that a new version of Notepad is available, and you can install it if you want. We hope this helped you resolve the problem and get Notepad working again in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if this video was useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step solutions. See you in the next video.